the woman we are collect fear. She sitting in one chair. And I tell her, I said, I want box of egg out the box. Money. You want me go for it for you?
Yes.
And I say yes. And she go for it. And she said, what is in it? Me say a egg. You know, see egg print on the box outside. She said, okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you to all our viewers and subscribers for your continued support. Now today we are at Miss Doyle's and we are going to be doing some more work on the house and we'll be talking to her a little bit. Also, I want to send big shout out to my husband, Marcel Kemp, who is most times behind the camera, but today will be executing the tasks. So you'll see what happens as we progress. But please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so once we upload a new video, you will be notified. All right, so let's get into the video. Oh, you forgot cut tile go over there, so no. Yeah. Yes, Miss Dawn? Yes, man. Yeah. Yes, Miss Doyle. Yes, that's true. Oh my God. Yes, that's true.
I look up in the house, I see tears that wash me.
Yeah?
Yes, I put on a piece of prayer phone.
Oh Lord.
Because my shop now, more dying dead.
Oh, you're that sick from the cold.
Yeah, we are coming to. And we just soon as soon, we just come fix up there so far.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Yes, and we have to thank all the persons who would have made it possible.
Yes, we thank them.
Yeah. So you hear that, guys? As a result of your help, Miss Doyle is giving thanks because she's saying, had it not been for the ceiling, should have been very sick by now. You know,
yes.
so.
Sick body, you know.
Yeah.
Sick.
So thank God the ceiling is up, so you no more cold coming from outside.
No, you know, sister, me I talk good now.
Yes, you're talking much better.
Yeah.
And no rats.
I'm that little man, yeah. You now pass me, you know.
You now pass? Yes. 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 He now pass you?
No.
He says to Miss Doyle there. Yes, man.
Oh, God. God bless you. You know when I go figure to you. I must see when you want to do that? I must see when the breath left me back.
Oh, Lord. I have much more time to go, man. Live longer.
But Jesus, no cockroaches not going anywhere, no, because that's place the way me.
The closet area. Oh. But Miss Doyle, remember me tell us that the middle part is for because you're gonna hang up like the long dresses and so on. You not hang them up?
Then when I go put that one, leave.
You're supposed to. No, it's supposed to go below at the bottom. See one next shelf at the bottom, you know. It's just this.
Where the box there?
Yes.
One of the shelf I go down. Oh, so I'm gonna leave here so now.
Right, so you can hang stuff there.
Yeah, that's me hanging, sitting them in a dash there.
Yes.
All right. When everything done, me fix me. I will put Stephanie give me a blanket here.
Yes.
I wrap up in she look after me good. May God bless my girl.
Yes.
Me, you know.
Yes, she love you though. She love you.
Look here. She left early come here. When me sick bad and I wash my clothes.
Yes.
And he go down at the spring, the sun in full, me drum
yes.
gone. And water. He come back and say, Mommy, can't bother you know with the coming I buy one tank. I buy that tank and put it around there so when they look at house and there.
Yes.
And then come on before he go away when he wash. He full the drum.
Now make sure you have the water.
And he bathe me. And he put me inside.
Yes.
Lie down and he gone.
Yeah, so she make sure she take care of you before she leave. Wow,
And
that's wonderful. Yeah.
And him the man say me if he dash dash away. Me gone and me son me gone tell one lady you know. And the lady said to me, say, then Miss Carmen, you're gonna really do it. People are listening to me, you know. You're gonna really do it. So me said, then what me fi do then you know your man saying Ghana, He said, no do it. Me I carry you up half a tree. Where the full farm there.
Yeah.
That time when you pass the supermarket and you turn in. And we go up there. And you see top side there, Courtly Manor Hotel. He used to work there, you know.
Yeah.
Wash plate.
Really?
Yes. And so I know a musician man in there.
Yeah.
So me go give the history about him. I go come back to him, but me I tell you about the egg.
Yes.
And me buy the egg. She came up and me go up there now and me buy the egg. And the man we are working at the fall farm said, but after you can't manage the belly pig, man, you can't manage the belly back. You say, oh, me care for you. I say, God bless you, sir. And when he reached down, he said, which number bus you take? Me tell him. I believe that bus there. I remember one number bus.
Yeah.
When you can he put it on the back of me to come. And the woman we are collect fear. She sitting in one chair. And I tell her, I said, I want box of egg out the box. Money. Even you want me go for it for you?
Yes.
And I say yes. And she go for it. And she said, what is in it? I say, a egg. You know, see egg print on the box outside. She said, okay. And she put it down. She put it side there, you know.
Yes.
Because if bus go full up and you know, one of the people kick it box and they go
break the eggs.
Yeah. And she give me one see me sit down. And when I come off now, he say, you stop this. And I say, yes, ma'am. That's why when we reach a new land. And I say, yes, ma'am. And she say, put. Which part me fi put it? I say, put it right over there. So when you see the little shop where they sell cook food. And she carry and put it there. And you see when she put it there, you see me take time and rock at the belly big, you know. I go down in the lane. You see by the time I catch on me. They say, you get where you go for? Me say, yes. He say, which part is a whole heap of crowd? I go for the one little box side. And quick time, you know, then lift up the box. A dolly take up the box.
Yeah.
And carry and go put it on the veranda. I wish when I'm I believe her. I think Stephanie. No, and Stephanie in my belly have Felicia. Go for water round at the back. And give me base and give me towel and carry a sack for me sit down.
Okay.
And me fix up and give me one other basin. That the basin now put the crack egg. And this the sound one now if you sell now. So me wash it off. Me dry with the kitchen towel. Me put it in and me do 5 crate. 5
flats. Yeah.
And me say a morning me I go with that. And me cut and put on top of it and put in them. And the morning you want you up Independence City through every avenue. Fresh head! Fresh head!
Yes. So you sell them off quickly?
I be shut my eyes and open. Yeah, me God, I say sell.
Yes.
Yeah, me if I could have managed more, me can more tomorrow morning. And that's a quick time me sell off it.
Yeah. Wow.
I want man give me one pig cat my mother did run me out of her house. One man then give me one pig. So I have to left it up at the head, can I make the pig pen. And I have to left the pig up there. So when I go for the feed now, I can't make the feed down for me and I can't down at my mother's yard.
Okay.
And I go feed my pig and the pig. And the time now we let him out and he go all over the people and cane field and go eat parsley, water grass and all kind of thing. And they belly full now. Then go in a mud hole, go bathe and come out.
What name parsley?
Parsley? You know some people eat it.
What is it?
They mix with callaloo and steam it.
Oh, it's a vegetable like?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And when them a come now, them belly full you know, and them a come, them tap in the mud hole and bathe and then they come and go right in them pen.
So a long time you raise pig, Miss Doyle?
Yes. I literally feel help me picking them because I know help.
Yeah. What you say about the musician now at the hotel, what you say you go tell me about?
No, that's when me had the baby now.
And
I go up at Courtly Man hotel, go look for the same musician man. And tell say me have one baby, you know. And the baby now take no feed and the father gone, left me. The stomach funny, did young, and he's sorry for me. And he said, wait first, me soon come off for work. And music in do.
yes.
And he said, when me go downtown, and he came in a one supermarket. And he said, me fit take up on the trolley.
Yeah.
And we take up the trolley. He said, anything me want,
You must, yeah.
When I tell me I want the first thing me put in the trolley.
The baby feeding?
2 things.
Yeah.
Cow and gate, it also.
Yeah.
And me take up 2 things. And me start take up, man. And me love saltfish for a long time. Me first thing me put in there
Saltfish.
And then me start take up.
Yes.
And then me start take up. And when me take up, me take up drinks, me take up, and them there, after me take up my food and everything, me take up saltfish, mackerel, fresh fish, and then sitting there. And when me, and then in there. Hey, man. You know, go picture him.
Yeah, me I go picture him now. All right.
He came over. And he come with me saying, I want to finish part me
Yes.
and you know, so the man come there and I somebody tell say see me and him in a bus. One man number. And he come up there. And then grab up my baby tin and feeding. When I look at things, say me put one in the barrel. I give him so lick, you see, man. I give him and the woman so lick, me go see them a drink my baby feeding.
Are you serious?
As there's a father in heaven.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Say the bad woman, Miss Doyle, you beat him?
I beat out his neck back. No man never beat me yet.
Yes.
And then fool with me so. And the first thing I give my hand back. Pow!
Oh Lord.
And then me try to make me hold nothing in my hand because you go get it.
Oh my gosh. That the time you didn't name Miss Doyle?
Yeah. See me, that time I stay like.
Oh, up there so?
Yes.
Oh.
That time me like she.
Yes.
I mean, you know.
Me know, see you. You did tell me.
And see ya, one day Ken's sister come. And send call me out there. So me I go. And one man say, turn back and go put on your ammunition. And I come back and see man and I put on a shorts.
Yeah.
No, me never out a shorts, you know, see one here. I put on my shorts.
Yes.
And I push my machete in my waist. And me go there. And me say, what you want? See me you know. And me have an uncle skirt catch me over my knee. You see, by the time I say something, I see the man reach your ice pick and whoop. The ice pick go right between the hand here. And me have to do so. And drag it out.
Oh
drag
my
out
God.
and I draw out my machete, see man. And I thought, Every lick me carry down upon him, hear the people them. Oh,
Jesus.
Every lick me give me, I hear the people them.
Oh my God. Yes.
You one woman over in yard. You wretch you. I want me didn't want come and kill you. Every minute you come here, take set upon the woman. And I run down upon his sister, you see, man, she a water, you know.
Yeah.
She look about prisoner. And I give her some lick.
Yes, so you beat it for them.
2 of them. See, when I come
Jesus.
back up, see brother John, people just lift me up. Lift me up.
Lord, so Miss Dolly, that go on with enough things, man.
Me the strong man. You know, see the body of me.
Me see. Me see it.
When me go say, brother John, give me. I don't remember what. I believe I want Guinea Zing give me for drink.
Lord have mercy.
By the time I drink that, they Guinea Zing give me one other one. And brother John are dead with laugh. A big man, you know, him dead years now.
Okay.
And everybody I give me sitting. With them, yes, when him and his sister run a go down Night Avenue, yeah, the one woman over here. I want to come and kill you. You're too wicked.
Oh, so he always abuse you and something.
Yes, and he look after me and he left me with this stomach.
Yes.
Mind, just have me come out now. And he come back again when he sees me have baby now. Take when me baby feed me. And I beg me go beg it.
Yes. You ain't like that at all. Oh, sir. Okay, guys, so this is it. So finally, we're able to install the toilet for Miss Doyle. So thank God. And now she don't have to go outside. Even though we have not yet completed the bathroom, she has the toilet so she can stay inside and use the bathroom. Don't have to go outside. Thank you, Jesus. So yes, Miss Doyle is good for now. We have some other things to be done, of course, to make it much more comfortable. But for now, at least, she can use it. So we'll have to come back another day, of course, and do the tiling of the wall in that section there. And then install our face basin as well. So we have a little stuff left to be done for her to be fully comfortable. So, but we're giving thanks for what we have so far. Okay. Miss Dial, bring our chair.
You can't put it in here, so Miss Dial.
Miss Dial, you can put it on. You can walk on the tiles now.
What?
They're set.
What is this?
Oh yes. Yes, man.
You get a damn tiny bowl.
For now, you have your toilet. Yes, I was telling our viewers and subscribers that we have a little more work to be done to make sure that you're much more comfortable. But for now, we are thankful that you can use the bathroom. You don't have to go outside. And if you're here, yes, and it's raining so heavily outside right now. So we're actually trapped down here for now, guys. We have to be waiting on the rain to stop so that we can actually leave. So yes, Miss Dial, so you're good for now. You don't have to go out a door. Yeah.
So then this one in a pipe should go so.
Yes, man. It hook up.
So we can throw water.
Yes, you can.
Yes.
You know.
Yes. When we reach that bridge, we will cross it.
Yeah, pull it down back again.
No, you
we'll
don't have
just
to.
take off this.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yes, man, this time. So, guys.
I wish one of them see me
Mr. Kim saw you.
Yeah.
I him see you all the time.
Yes, I said, see Miss Daniel.
Yes. Yes, man. So guys, I know that we have been putting out some videos, bit by bit. So we complete the work, we'll show it to you. Or we have been showing it to you bit by bit. So this is because, sometimes you don't have the time to be here for the entire week. So we'll come one day during the week and we come on a weekend, a day on the weekend. So, it is taking us a little bit of time, but we're just ensuring that we do enough so that Miss Doyle is comfortable. So today is So today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, yes, and we're here yesterday, Monday. Yes, and we're here yesterday, so we're coming back on Saturday. All right, Miss Doyle, and sometime Miss Doyle call us too, and we have to run home. Yeah, yeah, man. Right. You know, Sister Rain, stop with on ya. Oh, we're gonna reach up, Miss Doyle. Oh Lord.
Yes, it's only one day.
Me know. Yes. Yes.
Me cross.
You cross. You not take foolishness. Okay. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for your continued support. Thank you for being here with us. Thank you for helping us so that we're able to do the project for Miss Doyle. She's much more comfortable and she's very thankful. Thank you so much. So this is where we end the video for today. So until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican, and blessed love. Bye bye.